In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a partial refund in Stripe, returning only part of the original charge. This is a practical skill for anyone managing finances through Stripe, ensuring customer satisfaction while maintaining accurate financial records. Let's dive into the simplest method to execute this directly from the Stripe dashboard. First, you'll want to log into your Stripe dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your financial transactions, and it's where you'll find the tools you need to handle refunds. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate over to the Payments section. This area lists all the transactions that have occurred, making it easier for you to locate the specific payment you need to refund. After entering the Payments section, take a moment to locate the exact payment that you want to address. It might take a bit of scrolling, depending on how many transactions you've processed, but once found, click on it to bring up more details. Here, you'll encounter the option to Refund Payment, which is accessible through the three-dot or ellipsis menu. Clicking on this option will open the refund window, where you can proceed with modifying the payment as needed. Now that you see the refund window, you have the flexibility to adjust the amount you wish to refund. For instance, if the original charge was $50 and the customer is requesting a partial refund of $15, go ahead and change the amount to reflect $15. It's crucial at this step to verify the amount, ensuring that it's precisely what the customer has requested or what you've agreed to refund. This transparency helps in maintaining trust and accuracy in your financial transactions. Next, you'll need to select a reason for the refund. Options might include reasons like requested by customer, duplicate, or even fraudulent. This step is more than just a formality. It helps Stripe and your own business keep track of why refunds are issued, which can be useful for resolving disputes or analyzing business trends. You also have the option to add a note. Although it's not mandatory, providing clear information here can aid in future reference for both you and your customer. Once you're satisfied with the amount and have chosen a reason, double-check everything and then click Refund to proceed. This action sets the refund into motion. You'll notice that the entry in your payments will now be marked as partially refunded. Keep in mind, after confirming the refund, the remaining balance on the charge will stay intact. Typically, it takes about 5 to 10 business days for the refunded amount to appear back in the customer's financial account. It's always a good idea to inform the customer of this time frame, setting the right expectations. And there you have it, a straightforward way to issue a partial refund in Stripe. This process ensures you maintain control over your transactions and can provide exceptional customer service efficiently.